Guys, welcome to another video of how do I do this one. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on a backup sump system. So I currently have one that's the basement watchdog one. So it's keep giving me the alert for battery, and I tried cleaning the terminals and on the battery and it still does the same. So I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. To replace the battery, the first thing that you have to do is go ahead and unplug the power source in the back, or you can do it from your wall adapter also. And once you're done with that, there is a fuse in the back if you have the system. So unplug the fuse. So once you unplug the fuse, the system will be like just giving you an alert for the fuse light alone, obviously just because we removed that. And then you can remove the cable that runs from the battery to the sump pump, and then you will have a latch like this on both the sides. So just gently push the latch in and you can lift it up and you can see the battery in it, and do that on the other side as well. So once you do that, you will be able to see this battery terminals, and this cable is the liquid one for indicator, and the positive and the negative on this. So you can leave this in the back and simply rotate it anti-clockwise here. So you can just keep rotating anti-clockwise and unscrew the nut so you can get the terminals out of the battery first. And this is just, you can just pull up, like you can just pull it out, and the same does in this also. Just rotate it in the anti-clockwise and it's pretty straightforward. You should be able to get this soon. And once you're done, now the terminal box is out like completely. You can keep it aside, and I do have the new battery on the side. I'm going to show you that, which I'm going to replace with. So now the new batteries doesn't have terminals like these, and you don't have the distilled refill water system, so it's all inbuilt on that. So I'm going to show you how to take. So all that you have to do is first take this battery out, and then we'll put this in, and I'll show you how to connect the terminals that we removed just now. I do have the new battery inside the battery box. Now for you to start using, you can just pop this out. So there is a plastic hose on both the terminals that they have given during the packing. So you can just snap it out and you can take that out, and all you need to do is just bring back this box that you took it out. The red is for the positive, so obviously the red terminal goes on this one. And then what you have to do is, you do have the new ones have a washer like this and a bolt. So keep one washer on the terminal first. So there is two ways, one is non-shiny and one is shiny and smooth. So leave the smoother side on the top, keep your terminals, and one thing that you have to do is, in this, bring the positive also. So on the new one, that's how you're going to check for the fluid levels. You're going to keep the fluid level indicator also on this, and then a washer, and then just start rotating clockwise. If you remember, we did that on the anti-clockwise. So for this, you'll just keep this and keep holding this in between the washer so it doesn't slip off, and then you can keep rotating this to make it tight. And you can use a spanner also to hold it much more tighter. Now I'm going to keep this washer down and the negative terminal on this side, and another washer on top of the negative terminal, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put the nut on it and then do clockwise rotation to make it secured. And as I mentioned, if you want, you can do a hand tight, or you can do a small wrench or a spanner to get this tight as well. Now all the setup is done. Let's go ahead and close it, and then let's test if that alert is still popping up. Now the first thing I'm going to have is the fuse on here. So on the back, as we remove from the spot, you'll have the fuse in, and you will see the system operating. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and connect the cable that we removed from the white panel towards the sump pump motor. And now if you notice, it detecting that the system is operating but there is no power. And then you can go ahead and plug in your power source also over here. So now the power indicator should go away and you should see a charging as well. So that's how you will be replacing a battery on a sump pump backup system. If you like my videos, please do leave your comments and subscribe. Thank you for watching.